Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to call Wix support. If you've been trying to get in touch with a real person at Wix and you're not sure where to begin, this walkthrough will help you understand the process clearly. Whether you're dealing with a website problem, account issue, billing question, domain problem, or any other technical concern, knowing the correct way to reach Wix support can save you time and frustration. Wix doesn't always take you straight to a live support agent right away, so it's important to know what to expect before you start to begin. Unlike some services, where you can immediately find a phone number and call, Wix usually starts the support process through its online help system. This means you may need to complete a few steps before reaching the right support option. Go to the Wix website and look at the top right corner of the page. From there, use the search option and type in Support. Once the support results appear, click on Contact Us. This is the main area where Wix guides users toward getting help with their account, website, billing, or technical issues. The Contact Us section is designed to understand your problem first and then connect you with the most suitable support method based on your situation. At this stage, one thing to keep in mind is that Wix may not immediately provide you with a direct support person to call. Instead, they usually guide you through their AI support system first. This is a normal part of the process, so don't be surprised if you're first connected to an automated assistant instead of a real representative. The AI assistant helps Wix understand your issue and can often provide quick solutions for common problems. However, if your problem is more complicated, the system can guide you toward additional support options. When the AI assistant opens, go ahead and describe your issue as clearly as possible. Try to explain the problem in simple, specific terms so the system can understand what kind of help you need. Avoid using general descriptions like, "My website is not working." Instead, provide details such as what feature is causing the problem, when the issue started, and what you have already tried. For example, if you're having a billing problem, a domain issue, or a website error, mention that directly. You can explain things like payment failures, domain connection problems, missing website features, login issues, or errors appearing on your pages. Providing these details helps the system identify the correct support route. The more clearly you explain the issue, the better the system can determine whether it can solve the problem or whether it needs to send you to a human support option. If the AI is unable to fix your problem, that's the point where you may be directed to Wix support for further assistance. In other words, the automated system works as the first step, and if your issue requires more advanced help, Wix can then move you forward to the next support option. This process helps Wix organize support requests and connect users with the right type of assistance. Following the steps carefully can make the process faster and reduce unnecessary delays. This is why it's helpful to stay patient during the process. Even if your goal is to speak with a real person, you may need to go through the AI prompts first before that option becomes available. Make sure you follow each screen carefully and continue providing the requested details until the system gives you the support path you need. If Wix asks for additional information, such as account details, website information, or a description of the problem, provide accurate information so the support team can better understand your situation. You should also check the available support hours shown in the Wix support area, because live assistance may only be available during certain times. Support availability can vary, so checking the hours before starting the process can help you avoid waiting when live assistance is unavailable. If calling or speaking with support is time-sensitive, it's a good idea to review those hours before you continue so you know when help is available. It's also helpful to have important details ready before contacting Wix support, such as your website address, account email, screenshots of errors, and a clear explanation of the problem. That's the process for calling Wix support and getting past the initial automated help system as smoothly as possible. By following these steps and explaining your issue clearly, you can improve your chances of reaching the right Wix support option quickly and getting the help you need.